All right, good morning. Today we've got my son's 2004 Impala. It's been making a noise in the brakes, front, possibly rear, maybe all of it. So we're going to take a look and see if we can find out where the noise is coming from and see if we can't get it taken care of.
Okay, that's it. I think if I go any further ejection,
Give it a shake test.
Yeah, I ain't going anywhere.
Nope. Well, there's what's making the noise.
What's that?
I'm pretty sure, although it's not touching it right now, but I bet. Yep, that moves over just enough. See that? And see when I push the rotor over?
Mm-hmm.
See it like basically touching it?
Mm-hmm.
And there's a noticeable difference between that section right there and the rest of it. Because if you shine the light on, look straight on, you can see where it's been rubbing. And if we pull that rotor off, you'll see that right there. Is there one on the other side over there?
Yeah, I can see it.
You can. Is it down too?
Yeah.
Is it rubbing on that rotor? It looks like it.
Maybe.
Here,
Yeah.
shine. Come here. Shine his light on there, and like look straight on at it. What do you think of this mat?
It's nice. I'm not sure if it's the. Oh yeah, I see.
You see the difference in color?
Yeah, and you can see like the transition from where the pads aren't. It's different too.
It might. See that rotor's pushed all the way over.
Yeah.
So when you turn, it's getting over against it. So that's where your rubbing is coming from. I am 99% sure. Ow! I hit the back of my head, then the front of my head. That'll be good in the video. Yep. So, is it bent?
I think so. You want the screwdriver?
I think we found the source of the noise coming from the brakes. That bracket right there is really close to the rotor. I don't know if you can see that or not, but that bracket is really close to that rotor. And when you push the bottom of the rotor in, RJ, go ahead and push the bottom of that rotor in. You can see it's right up against it. So that's what it would do as we're turning. That's where the noise is coming from. So I think that's probably bent a little bit, so we may just have to bend that bracket out just a little bit to get it away from the rotor.
We just gotta do it the other side.
So you say the other side's probably bent in too?
Yeah, it's probably doing the same.
All right. Can we go over there and do that now without jacking it up?
I hope so.
Let's take the mat over there and see if we can do it.
Okay.
These champ mats are great.
Oh yeah, it's touching over here. Can you see it? Like it's kind of bad.
You see it may be touching because the car's jacked up leaning this way. So it's got it pushed over. Yeah, see if you can bend that tab out.
might need on that side too, if you can reach it.
Let's see what I can do. I can't see it.
The struggle bus once again.
The struggle bus is serious, man.
Miss Frizzle's not driving, huh?
Yeah, I think we're going to jack it up. Take the wheel off because I can't get into it.
Do it proper.
What's the torque supposed to be on these?
I do believe 100. Don't worry, I got it programmed right here.
Fun things of living next to the airport. Cool airplanes. We got a broken hanger, exhaust hanger. I'll have to get that welded up before it tears up the rest of the exhaust. You doing all right down there?
Yep. It's all done.
Is it? That's okay.
Yep. I do see a little bit of a tear there on that boot.
Yep. Perfect. No more rubbish.
British now.
And you get a shot in the back. Can you see a difference in the color of the rotor where it was rubbing?
Now let me get my pocket light out. A little bit. A little bit, yeah.
Look good?
Yep.
Struggle bus. Thank you, sir.
You're welcome. This looks like a NASCAR pit crew.
That kind of fat ball guy. Those guys are athletes, though.
And you're not?
I'm probably more like a local dirt track team member. Fat ball guy.
Yeah.
Just don't have a beer in my hand.
Yeah. Well, it's 9:51 in the morning, so I'm glad you don't.
Well, you gotta start sometime. Can't finish if you don't start. I'm gonna sit it down and torque it.
thanks for watching my dad's channel. If you like this video, please like, leave a comment, subscribe. I'm sure my dad will love that and appreciate it. So thanks for supporting him, and thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed.